When equipped with a camera, these remote-controlled aircraft, commonly called drones, are an amazing tool, useful for a variety of applications. But before going any further, we need to make an important distinction. The term drone is generally used for remote-controlled aircraft in military operations. For the sake of clarification, we will refer to them in civilian terms as UAS, Unmanned Aircraft Systems, or UAV, Unmanned Aerial Vehicles. The growing popularity of UAVs isn't hard to explain. They provide a free-moving aerial platform from which to shoot pictures, video, or in some cases, just observe. The latter use is a source of worry for some, and while the use of UAVs will help us better serve our customers, the privacy concerns expressed by the public need careful consideration as we plan UAS programs at Hawaiian Electric, Maui Electric, and Hawaii Electric Light.
The company understands that the public, our customers, their main concern is their privacy rights. So we've focused on making sure that all imagery taken by the UAS out in the field will be owned by the companies. It won't be used by third parties. It will be kept on secure servers, and the software that we're using is designed for that. It's been used around the country and internationally by the military as well as others, making sure that it can't be hacked, that it can't be used outside of what it's intended for. The entire company can't use it, only the folks working on those particular projects can use the imagery.
Because UAVs can be very useful in a variety of environments, many utilities are exploring their use or developing programs to do so. The company has hired a consultant to help us develop a strong program that ensures customer benefits while addressing the operational needs of all three of our companies. This is a very critical step because the FAA oversees UAVs and has very rigorous standards concerning their use, particularly for commercial purposes.
Here at Hawaiian Electric, we're considered a civil unmanned aircraft. You also have public unmanned aircraft, and then you have hobbyists. So there's three types of unmanned aircraft. So the public unmanned aircraft, we're not really concerned here at Hawaiian Electric with that. That's the police department, the military, Homeland Security. Civil unmanned aircraft is Hawaiian Electric, and the FAA is very strict on where we can fly and when we can fly. So we currently have Section 333. That gives us authorization with a blanket COA, which is a certificate of authorization, to fly anywhere in national airspace, that's anywhere in the country, 400 feet and below. But we have to stay 5 miles away from an airport. Unless it's non-towered, then it's going to be 3 miles away. Now, if we want to get within those 5 miles, we have to have a specific COA for that airport. So the hobbyists have similar rules. It's very important that the employees understand that. You want to make sure that the program doesn't get any bad publicity.
So what are we hoping to accomplish with UAVs?
Mainly right now we would be using it for inspection of anything, inspection of poles, lines, tanks, towers. That's the first phase, would be inspections. It could eliminate some noise over anything overhead that we can see without inspecting without a helicopter, is a major benefit to the customers when we don't have to fly overhead. Sometimes we can't even get into an area with a bucket truck and we have to fly. This way it'll be way less intrusive, less noise, fast. We can get in and get out with the UAV.
UAVs will help us identify potential problems on our system and pinpoint areas that may need attention. In the event of severe storm damage, UAVs deployed by first responders will give us a quick assessment of the system and help shorten response times to the affected areas. Through the use of new technology, we will be able to improve reliability for our customers while improving safety and security for our personnel. Clearly, UAVs have an important role to play as the company continues to define how we operate. The UAV's flexibility will make many tasks easier, safer, and quicker to accomplish, and ultimately allow us to better serve our customers.